Today our topic is triangles, and in this video we are going to learn what is a triangle, how many sides are there in a triangle, how many angles are there in a triangle, how many vertices are there in a triangle. I hope you all have heard this term before, right? Triangle. Have you all heard this term before? I'm sure you all have. Now let's start with the definition of a triangle. Let's read this statement. Triangle is a three-sided closed figure. See the term itself. Tri means three and angle means its angle, right? So in a triangle there will be three angles. Then what about sides? What about its vertices? Now we'll learn about its sides and its vertices in this video. See, through this statement, we came to know that triangle will have how many sides? Three sides. And your figure, your triangle will be what type of figure? It will be closed figure. Is it clear? Now, let's draw a triangle. Okay. Is this a triangle? No, this is not a triangle. Why? Because here we have only one side. That means this is not a triangle. Now, if I draw one more line segment, now, is this a triangle? No, this is not a triangle. Why? Because here we have only two sides and this figure is not closed. That means this is not a triangle. Now, let me draw one more line segment here. So, let's count the number of line segments. 1, 2 and 3. So, here we have how many sides? 3 sides. 3 line segments means 3 sides, right? But triangle will be a closed figure. So, is this closed? No, this is not closed one. That means, again, this is not a triangle. Is it clear? That means triangle is a three-sided closed figure. It should be closed. Now, let me draw a line segment here. First line segment, second line segment, and third line segment. Now, tell me, is this a triangle? Yes, this is a triangle. Why this is a triangle? Because this figure is closed figure and on top of that there are three sides. That is why this is a triangle. Is it clear? Now, let me name this triangle. So, whenever you are asked to name the triangle, you can use any letters. It may be A, B, C or P, Q, R or X, Y, Z or D, E, F or M, N, O. You can use any letters to denote the name of a triangle. Is it clear? I hope the definition of triangle is clear to you all. Now after this, let's learn about its symbol. So whenever you are asked to write the symbol of a triangle, you will make this type of symbol for a triangle. Okay, so this is the symbol of a triangle. And what is the name of a triangle here? ABC. So with symbol, if you write ABC, we will understand that we are talking about triangle ABC. But if you just write ABC without any symbol, what does it mean? This will not make any sense. ABC. It may be angle, it may be a triangle, right? It may be just English alphabets. So without symbol, if you write the name like this, we will not understand that we are talking about a triangle. That is why whenever we talk about triangle, make sure you write a symbol before the name. Is it clear? So if I write this symbol and if I wrote here XYZ, if I wrote XYZ here with this symbol, then you will understand that we are talking about triangle XYZ. That means the name of the triangle in this case is XYZ. Is it clear? Now, after this, we'll learn about its sides. Okay, now sides of a triangle. So AB, this is first side, this is your line segment, so this is your side, right? So AB, you can write it as BA also. Okay, it's same. If you write AB or BA, we are talking about this line segment only. That's why you can either write AB or BA. So I'll write down here AB. So this is your first side. Now second side is this one. So this, if you are asked to name this side, you can either write BC or CB. Okay, so I'll write here BC. Now the last line segment or the last side is your AC. So AC also you can write it either AC or CA. So your last side is AC. So how many sides of a triangle is there? There are 3 sides. They are AB, BC and AC. So these are 3 sides of a triangle. Now let's learn about its angles. Now, as we have already learned in our previous videos, that angle is formed when 2 lines or 2 line segments or 2 rays, they meet at one point. So in this case, these 2 line segments, they are meeting at point A. These 2 line segments are meeting at point B, and these 2 line segments are meeting at point C. That means there is formation of 3 angles. So angle A, angle B and angle C. Is it clear? Now whenever you write angle, you should use the symbol, and this is the symbol of angle. Now if you are talking about angle A, make sure you write A in the middle. So if you are talking about angle A, you can write it as angle BAC. A is in the middle, or angle CAB. Either ways it's correct, okay, but A should be in the middle. So I'll write angle BAC. So this is angle BAC. Now which point is in the middle? A. That means we are talking about angle A. In this case, we are not talking about angle B or angle C. We are talking about angle A only. Is it clear? Now next, angle B. So when we talk about angle B, B should be in the middle. So you can write it as angle ABC or angle CBA. Either ways it's correct, okay? So angle ABC. When I write angle ABC, B is in the middle. That means we are talking about angle B of triangle ABC. Is it clear? Now next, last angle, that is angle C. So when we talk about angle C, when we talk about angle C, she should be in the middle. So you can write it as angle ACB or angle, okay, BCA. Either ways it's correct, okay? So I'll write angle ACB. So this is angle ACB. That means we are talking about angle C here. So there are 3 angles in a triangle. Is it clear? Now the last one is vertices. Now vertices, it's actually corners, okay? It's the common point. It's the common point. Vertices are the common points of 2 line segments. So in this case, A is common point because these 2 line segments are meeting at this point. That means A becomes the common point. And similarly, B is also a common point because for these 2 line segments, B is common. And for C, these 2 line segments, C is common. That means there are 3 vertices. They are A, B and C. So these are 3 vertices of a triangle. So I hope you all have understood what is a triangle. Then after that, how many sides are there in a triangle and how to name the sides of a triangle. Then angles and how to name the angles of a triangle. And the last one is vertices. Thank you everyone.